Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Jordy if you don't know me, and today's video is inspired by the Baby music video by Bishop Briggs. I am not being paid to do this video. I just fucking love her. I love the song. You guys are gonna love it too. I'll link the video down below. And I think that this would be a cool Halloween costume. I don't know, it's like a cool pink unicorn with a third eye. How can you lose? If you want to be pink too, then keep watching. I almost forgot to turn my microphone on, and then this would have been a silent tutorial with my mouth flapping. In case you haven't watched the video yet, here is my inspo. So cute. I don't really have a whole lot to work with, so we're gonna be mixing up some shit to paint with. I don't even have a pink, so I've got this orangey red. This is one of the NYX SFX cream colors. I've got a purple, and then I've got the NYX Pro White Foundation Mixer. I'm gonna fold up some tinfoil to use as a palette for my mixing. A little bit of ASMR. This smells bad. So I'm gonna put a little bit of all three of these on my smelly tinfoil. Why does it smell like that? It's really concerning. I need to make a lot because I need to cover my face and shoulders, and if I run out, it won't be consistent. It's making pink, it's just not mixing very well. The solid special effects cream paints don't want to mix with the foundation, which I understand. We're getting there. It's kind of like a mauvey pink. I'm gonna add a little bit more orange. Whoa. Ah! Dropping everything. And some more of this. I think this is as good as it's gonna get. I'm gonna set it pink anyway. Not too worried about it. That's pretty darn good. It smells weird. Everything smells weird to me right now. I don't want to get it in my freshly green hair, but I really want to paint my ears. I'm just painting everywhere, except my lips. I wonder if this will make me break out. I don't want to miss any spots. So that would look not great. I'm gonna be wearing a wig, so I'm not super worried about my hairline being perfect. It looks so gross right now because it's so shiny. You have to be mentally prepared for this shit. Especially when it comes time to take it off. I've had actual mental breakdowns when I can't get my makeup off. I just realized I didn't even prime or moisturize or anything. I wasn't ready. I was not mentally prepared for this. Just kidding. I'm excited. Now I'm gonna mix in a whole bunch more white and make a lighter shade of pink. And I'm gonna add some dimension. She's a cartoon, so she is just flat pink, but I kind of want to bring it to life. And here we go. I changed the brightness a little bit on my actual camera, and now it's picking up more of the true color. So I'm just highlighting like I would if I was doing a beauty makeup. And then using a sponge to blend it out a little bit. All right, we're pretty pink. Pretty pink. I'm gonna mix in a little bit more purple and do a little bit of contour. I'm not too worried about getting the contour really good at this stage because I'm gonna do it with powder anyway. Cute. God, I'm making a mess. Oh my God. Look at my hands already. Actually, don't look at my hands because they're not pink. So I am going to set under my eyes with translucent powder, which is of course going to change the color a little bit. I'm not too worried because this is my highlighted spot anyway. It actually looks really good. Since my under eyes crease so bad, I'm just not sure if I trust a pink eyeshadow to keep it from creasing. The rest of my face, I'm not too worried about. Now I'm gonna dust this hot fuchsia primal color all over. This is by NYX. And I'm just gonna start pressing this in my contoured areas. I'm not going to do a lot of like sweeping motions because I don't want it to pull around the paint. I'm going to go in with this and do a little nose contour. And I'm going to set the lids. The texture of my skin right now and the way that this paint applied, it's like better than any foundation I've ever worn. If you want that full coverage, just paint yourself pink. Now I'm gonna use another Primal color by NYX, but this one is hot pink. And I'm going to set the other parts of my face. I'm gonna have to find a way to add blush to this look. You know I never go blushless. This is honestly so much fun. If you are looking for some makeup therapy, you just need some distraction, want to be creative, this tutorial might be a good choice. I'm also patting this over the kind of contour parts because it was really hard to blend. And so this will just help it look a little bit more blended. Please excuse the man rudely sawing outside. God, don't they know I'm filming? There's this really light lavender in the NYX Ultimate Brights palette. I think I'm gonna try that. It is a puny pan. That's good though, that works for me. I'm actually gonna go into my Pearl palette by Sugarpill and I'm just gonna go into white because I want it brighter. That's better. I just don't want my face to be flat pink. I have a feeling that the doorbell is gonna ring. Have to go down their topless, painted pink. I asked my kids, they're 8 and 5, and I said, like, during October, am I allowed to pick you up from school in costume? Because I don't want to embarrass them any more than I already do. And they were pumped. They were like, yes, please, Mom, pick us up looking crazy. And I thought that was the cutest thing ever. Oh, look at the little nose highlight. I apologize for the ever-changing light. I really need to block out this window. A bit of a brow highlight. Look at this white eyeshadow. This is the best white eyeshadow in existence. I need more. I never hit pan on anything, but I have for surely hit pan on taco. The sun is going back behind the cloud, where it belongs. Got a little shoulder highlight popping. I'm pink, I'm pink, I'm pink, I'm pink. Start on the brow. I'm using the Epic ink liner from NYX. There's only been a few times where I've done my eyebrows with black liquid liner. It's not the easiest thing to do, but it can be done. They gotta be good too, because her brows are super fleeky in the video. I think we did all right. Now I have to do the other one. So that'll be fun. And now we're gonna do a big wing. It's kind of a rounded wing. Like that. Still using the Epic ink liner because it is really inky and it goes on top of any kind of makeup. Look at my freaking hand. What a disaster. Close enough, am I right? Even though she doesn't have any lashes in the little cartoon image, this isn't gonna be like an exact replica, obviously, so I need big lashes. So it's gotta be Rouge and Rogue. These are the Eclipse lashes. You can use my code, itslikelymakeup, to save some money.
If you need some big lashes.
I might actually have to skip blush with this look. Not sure how I feel about that. And freckles. Kind of upsetting. Perfect. Now I'm gonna go in and sketch on the little eye. I'm using the NYX white liquid liner. I'm just outlining where I'm gonna put it right now. I'm gonna pop a little bit of yellow and blue eyeshadow on top just so it's not so bright white. I'm gonna add a little bit of a white highlight while I have this palette in my hands. Just using the Sugarpill Pro shadows. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of blue and green. I'm gonna make mine kind of match my eye because she has no irises in the little cartoon. Unfortunately, contacts are tested on animals, so I won't use them. Put in a little pupil. A little bit of an outline around the eye so you can see it. A little highlight. Not gonna go too crazy with it. Now we're gonna add the liner. Add a little bit of shading under the bottom. And I guess we should put lashes on it, right? All right, I'm gonna put on some mascara. This part's gonna be really fun. I'm going to highlight with the Ofra Cloud 9 highlight because it's pink. Get those shoulders. All the usual highlight spots. Inner corner. And for a lip, I'm gonna use Sugarpill's Girl Crush, which is appropriate. And I'm gonna go back into the NYX Primal color in Hot Pink and put on some blush. I can't do it. Now I'm going to put on my hair and my little unicorn horn that I made this morning, and we'll see how it looks. The hair is not perfect, but it's closer than green. It's pink, so it works for me. This is a unicorn horn that I bought at the store and painted pink. It looks a little bit sus. We're not gonna talk about that. I feel cute. I like it. I like being pink. I'm gonna line my lips just so you can actually see where they are. Thank you guys for watching me turn pink. Thanks to Bishop Briggs for being so insanely cool and talented, and I'll see you in the next video.